All right, today I want to discuss Dorado Exchange, and it's a perpetual trading platform on the BNB and Arbitrum Smart Chain. The Dorado platform is the evolution for Web 3.0 social trading. This will allow you to trade with up to 50x leverage on a wide variety of the top crypto assets. And you could do it alone or you could do it with social trading mechanisms. The really nice thing about this, obviously, is that because it's decentralized, it could be done without any sign up that's necessary. All you have to do is plug in your wallet and start trading. Um, so this is their website page, and you could see um, it's social trading, low fees, security, it's fast, um, and it's stable rewards. So they have a lot of advantages. Their rewards are particularly good when you're looking at the various perpetual exchanges out there. Um, I've compared this one to many others, and this one seems to have the best um, return on your investment. And it is on the number two blockchain, which is BNB. So that's very good for it. In addition, you could see the stats here. Since it's only been out 2 months, um, you could see the total in fees have been about $1 million in fees. The total volume has been 800 million in just 2 months, and the total users um, are 5,000 plus users. Open interest is 1 million, which is also very good, and it's up from 500,000 from before. You could see here that initially when it first launched, there was a steady, slow growth, and now it's kind of going up parabolically. And the important thing for liquidity providers is how much net profit and loss um, the liquidity providers get. And over here, you could see uh, the traders are making money. However, after fees, um, the platform makes more money, and over time, you could see here the net trading loss over the course of the past few months has been 374,000. And you could see that kind of in this graphic here, where you could see the over the last few days there was significant losses as traders when they lost money. This adds um, to the profit of the liquidity pool. So that's what you see there. You can see there's continued open interest, and over here, although traders profit and loss, looks like the traders are profiting. Um, if you put together the fees that are paid, including interest and initiation and fees for um, starting the trade, overall the platform is making money over here. And every day it makes money, it distributes this money to the liquidity providers. So it's a real yield platform. So none of the emissions really come from minting new tokens and distributing them out. The emission really comes from trading platform fees. And as the fees go up, um, the liquidity pool goes up as well, in addition to you earn additional rewards. Um, you could see here that because of the recent major losses, EDE on Binance has actually spiked to up to $16 before falling back to $3. Now, why is this happening? It's probably due to the fact that EDE or Dorado Exchange opened up on Arbitrum, and it's just beginning on Arbitrum, and the Arbitrum token is roughly $2 there. So I think people are confusing the two tokens, but it's a good price point right now to buy in, since $3 is probably going to be the lowest it's going to be. As you could see here, the market cap at this point is 1.6 million, and the fully diluted market cap, probably 5 years down the line, is close to 9 million, 90 million, excuse me. So I think it's probably going to be bought up, and the market cap is at this point only $2 million, which seems to be a good price point for this particular token. If you look over here, EDE is the platform's governance token, and basically you could stake it from 7 days to 4 years and get rewards for it. Once you stake it, it turns into the governance token, which is GEDE. Once it's locked, during the locking period, the token is non-transferable, and therefore it's good for traders since much of the token is locked, which I'll show you in a bit. Over here, you could see that 74% of the token is locked for an average time of close to 4 years. So 3/4 of the tokens are locked up, and they're earning very good APRs. If you lock it up to 4 years, you get 340% APR, and if you lock it for 1 week, you get 85% APR. And this APR is paid out in the EDE token, which could be sold right away. There's no lock period for it, and also you get paid in EUSD. So this is a very, very good platform where there's very high yields. In addition, the LP token here, there's two different kinds of LPs. The safer one is this one here, the ELP1, which consists of mainly the blue chips, and to the right is the ELP2, which consists of Pancake Swap and the Cake token and several other tokens that are less blue chip, but because of that, you earn somewhat higher yield typically. The rewards here are also paid in EDE and EUSD. EUSD is a tradable token as similar to USD, and it's tradable on the next page here. And on this, you could see right now, since since the collateral ratio is 94%, there is a fee for trading it right now. As the collateral ratio improves, where the collateral is equal or exceeds the circulating supply, then the fees go back down. But at this point, the fee is 6%, mainly because of the collateral ratio. Now, why is the collateral ratio lower? And that's because in the recent days, there's been a drop in price in some of the cryptos underlying the collateral here. And with the drop in price, it lowers the collateral valuation, thus lowering the collateral ratio. But as the price gets up, that should be repaired, and closer. It should be closer to 1-1, which over time, that's what's going to happen as the platform accrues more fees in the platform. So that should happen, and you could, if you want to swap the token now, you have a 6% charge. If you wait till it's equal, it'll be only a 0.5% exchange ratio, which is the lowest fee there is on the platform. So over here, you could see again, the price chart just shows a downtrend, but that's because crypto has gone down in the last couple of weeks. However, when that trend kind of reverses, this is probably going to pick up closer to the $6 to $9 range is what I expect. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of what I say is financial advice. You should do your own research before you invest. However, I think this is a very good investment platform right now to put your LP tokens, to stake EDE, and over time, over the course of the 4 years, I'm quite confident that you will make your money back several times over from all the trading fees that this platform gets on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. So you should check this out, do your own research, and like the video if you like it. And if you'd like to subscribe, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be producing additional content videos about all the different platforms that I personally invest in, because I believe in a lot of these projects and I think they're the future. So we'll tune in on the next episode.